Hey everyone, it is day 3, summer vacation, episode 23. 23 is kind of a special number for me. We are back at the beach. Everyone's in the water. So after we got back from the beach, we noticed that our paddle boat is missing and the rope almost looks like it was ripped in half. So I'm gonna fly my drone. Hopefully we can spot the thing. It's kind of an unfortunate thing that has happened, putting a little damper on the fun for today. So I got my fingers crossed. Hopefully we can find this thing. So anyways, guys, good news. My dad and my uncle took a canoe and they went out the channel. They were able to locate the paddle boat and they brought it back. So right there it is. The maintenance crew is going to come out and replace the rope. So hopefully this disaster was averted. Vacation mode is back on. Sun Dolphin number 5 has returned. We're happy. Vacation continues.
Thanks for letting me have your last beer, bro.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I'd say we're doing about maybe 4 or 5 knots here. We lost our wind and now we're just barely moving. We haven't broken out the paddles just yet.
Oh, thank you. Thanks. We're up with a 16-foot Joby tequila sunrise, just like that. Yeah. Right on the beach, just north there.
Cool.
Y'all have a trolling motor or you just paddle? We just got a paddle.
Doing good. Yeah.
Pray for some wind.
So we're past the point of which we turned around last time, which that's a good sign. Cool. We tacked and now kind of going back the other way a little bit, but we're in open water from here. I don't know if you can see our paddle boat friends over there. Got some open water finally out of that canal system, and we had to tack past this point. It was a little bit tricky getting it through. We kept getting stuck. Got a pretty awesome sunset over here going on. Not sure the GoPro is capturing it quite like my other camera, but we're sailing right into the sunset at the moment.
We're skimming along. Burn 1 ounce of gas.
No fuel required. Ready?
Yep. Be able to go right across that.
Canal sailing. It's a thing. Was that a fish jumping?
I think so, yeah.
We were just talking about how little amount of wind it takes to just move. You don't move very fast, but you still move.